Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use the general dispenser drawer. Here is how to use the general dispenser drawer. Carefully pull the dispenser drawer out until it stops. The dispenser drawer has 3 compartments. Use the main wash detergent compartment for main wash cycles. Fill the compartment only immediately before starting a wash cycle. You can use powdered or liquid detergent. However, do not use liquid detergent if using the pre-wash or delay end options. Liquid detergent will dispense immediately and may harden in the drawer or drum. If you want to use detergent tablets, do not put them in the dispenser. Add detergent tablets directly to the drum after loading your laundry. You may want to add a pre-wash cycle and detergent for heavily soiled clothes. The pre-wash cycle will run prior to the wash cycle you have selected. Just like in the main wash detergent compartment, you can use powdered or liquid detergent. If you want to use fabric softener, fill the liquid fabric softener compartment. Do not fill over the maximum fill line. Pouring excessive fabric softener over the maximum fill line can cause it to dispense too early. This may stain the clothes. Do not pour fabric softener directly into the drum. This also may stain the clothes. Also, do not leave fabric softener in the drawer for more than 1 day. Fabric softener may harden. After filling the compartments, gently close the dispenser drawer. Make sure that the contents of the drawer don't overflow. And you are ready to run a wash cycle. Detergent and fabric softener may build up in the dispenser drawer. If there is residue buildup in the dispenser drawer, you should clean it. It is also a good idea to clean the dispenser drawer once or twice a month. First, pull the drawer out until it stops. Then press down on the disengage button and pull the drawer all the way out. Next, remove the drawer components. Rinse both the drawer and components with warm water to remove any residue buildup. Clean the drawer opening with a cloth or soft brush. Make sure your drawer is completely dry. Reassemble the drawer and then gently reinsert it. And that's it. Thank you for using LG washing machines.